This is the latest iMac M3 from Apple featuring the same design from its old model released 2 years ago. This is the only desktop Mac available that you can just buy and have everything you need in the box with a price tag of $1299. Inside the box you will get the Mac, a magic keyboard, mouse with power and charging cables which matches the iMac colors. You will notice a white frame around the screen, while the back frame and stand have a smooth aluminum and metallic finish. The front panel is all glass and overall the build quality is outstanding. It features a magnetized port for the power cable which connects to a 143 watt power adapter with a built-in 1 gigabit Ethernet port for network connection. The base iMac model has 2 USB-C ports, while the upgraded model has 4 USB-C ports, including 2 Thunderbolt and 2 USB 3.2 ports. From the side, it's only 0.45 inches thick and it weighs just 9.87 pounds. That is so light. It comes with a 24-inch 4.5K Retina display with 4480 by 2520 resolution and 218 pixels per inch density. It has 500 nits peak brightness, which is very bright and looks outstanding. The colors are very accurate, so any kind of critical work like editing photos or videos will look great on display. The iMac has a 6-speaker sound system with force-cancelling woofers, offering clear, distortion-free audio for watching content. There is a 1080p webcam on the top of the iMac, accompanied by a 3-mic array with directional beamforming. The real upgrades are when you look inside of the machine. This M3 chip comes with 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, 256 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM. You will never feel any lag while doing photo editing, and even when you do some technical work, it can still manage pretty well. In Xcode benchmarks, the compile time is 141 seconds on the M3 iMac versus 178 on the M2, which is about a 21% increase in performance. Similar results on the GPU side as well. The M3 has hardware-enabled ray tracing and renders 12% faster than the M2. Let's talk about the keyboard and the mouse. The Magic Keyboard with Touch ID is a handy feature for unlocking and entering passwords. However, the Magic Mouse has its drawbacks. It's uncomfortable, charges from the bottom, tracks slowly, and lacks a scroll wheel, making it awkward for many tasks. So probably you will need a third-party mouse. The M3 iMac comes with Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E, which is a notable upgrade over the previous model. To conclude, this iMac has outstanding build quality, a stunning 4.5K display, excellent sound experience, all it comes in one package. So that's it for this iMac. Thank you.